In this video, we're going to review the 3 key points from our windshield replacement what to expect video. Who you choose to replace your windshield matters. There are different tools and methods from one company to another. This video should hopefully help you make a better decision when choosing who to replace your windshield. So let's get straight to the first point. Removing cowls, wipers, or anything that's going to restrict you access to the edge of the glass. Car manufacturers are implementing automated driving features to new cars every single year. A lot of these operate using the camera that's mounted onto your windshield. The proper decking of your windshield onto the car is more important than ever. So if you see this, your technician is taking a shortcut. The second key point is the proper prepping of bonding surfaces and the application of urethane, or glue to keep things simple. Simply wiping down the windshield before installing it is just not enough. Many of the windshields that we install here in the States are brought in from overseas. It's important to scrub these of any oils or grease prior to installation. Because of this, we use a microabrasive pad that is designed to pull any debris off the surface of the glass, ensuring that you get a better bond. When an old windshield is removed from the car, the pinch weld, or the area where the glass sits, should also be cleaned prior to trimming down any of the existing glue. Urethane, or glue, bonds best to freshly trimmed urethane. It's important that before you trim down the old glue in the car, you clean around it, so that once you trim it, you don't contaminate the bonding area. Proper process will not only avoid air leaks and water leaks, but it also keep you and your family safe in your car. The pinch weld that we mentioned earlier is made of metal. For years, many technicians have been using metal tools to cut glass out of cars. Today, there is a better system that uses fiberline. Fiberline minimizes the scratches underneath the glass. Sure, your windshield looks good, but if the technician that replaced it didn't properly treat any scratches underneath, over time this can lead to rot and ultimately destroy your car. That said, there may be times where fiberline can't get the job done, but those cases are very few in between. You may not know this, but the windshield on your car is responsible for up to 70% of its structural integrity. Here at Precision Auto Glass, we value both you and the lifespan of your hard-earned vehicle. Thank you for watching this video. If there's any specific questions you'd like for us to answer, please put them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Till next time.